How to know that which decision is best for you? Remember, every decision which comes from intuition, it is best for you in your life because it is directly coming from the universal flow. Prana is connected to universal prana, Mahaprana. Our today's pranayam series is to strengthen that intuition. Let's start and let's strengthen that intuition within you and let's connect with that universal flow. Namaste, everyone. Relax the hands. Come to Chin Mudra. Sit in any comfortable seated pose. Keep your back straight, closed eyes. Relax the whole body. Stabilize the body. Absolute stillness. No movement, no change. Now start stabilizing your breath, equalizing your breath. Your inhale and exhale is equal. Same speed, same flow, same length. Prepare the mind, the breath, the body for the opening, for the expansion. Take your time and prepare each single breath for awakening. Become aware of each breath goes in, comes out. They should be balanced. Get ready for the first opening practice. Chest expansion. Release the chin mudra. Bring your hands behind the back on the floor. Open the chest. You will be forcefully inhaling and softly exhaling. Become aware of your chest. Breathe in and softly exhale. Take your time for exhalation. Once again, inhale and slowly exhale. Slowly exhale. Become aware of the sensation on your chest. Again, inhale. Slowly exhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Relax the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly exhale. Again, inhale. Start exhaling. Once again, inhale. Slow exhale. Now slowly bring your hands front into chin mudra above the knee and just observe. Observe all the changes. Observe the silence. Stay quiet. Stay alert. Right after the forceful inhalation kriya, breath is settled, deep, slow, and soft. Get ready for the next technique, forceful exhalation. Open your hands, inhale slowly, raise your hands and stretch your arms up. Now, forceful exhale. With exhalation, hands goes down. Once again, inhale, raise your hands, exhale. Inhale, slowly raise your hands, stretch, exhale. Inhale, raise your arms, exhale. Again, inhale, raise your hands and stretch, exhale. Again, inhale, raise your hands and stretch your arms, exhale. Now relax. Chin Mudra. Now observe the breathing more deeper, more softer, and mind is calm. Prana is connected to Mahaprana. Feel the silence, feel the trust. No change, no movement, just trust, surrender. Now it's time to expand this silence, this energy flow all around the body. Close your left nostril with right hand ring finger. You will inhale right nostril slow and deep. Exhale left nostril out. Now inhale left nostril in and exhale right nostril out. Inhale right nostril in. Exhale left nostril out. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right deep. Exhale left nostril out. Inhale left and exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left nostril out. Inhale left. And exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Now release your hands down and bring your both hands to close your ears. Thumb will close the ear flaps, the door of the ear. Fingers are covering the eyes. Deep inhale. Exhale, Bramari. Inhale, exhale, humming bee. Inhale, longer vibration. Inhale. 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 Now relax your hands down, both hands on your knees, Chin Mudra. Hear the same vibration from Bramari Pranayama. Concentrate on this vibration. Focus on this vibration. Meditate on this vibration. This vibration will connect you to the Mahaprana. Mind is quite sharpened, can receive all the signals. Stay quiet, stay alert. Breath is settled, breath is softer. More the breath is quiet, intuition is developed. You are connected to this Mahaprana. Feel safe, trusted. Bring the attention back to the body. Become aware of your breath. The breath which is settled, bring it back to the natural flow. With a deep inhale, gently palms together, rub your palm with exhale. Cover the eyes, massage your forehead, the eyebrows, all the way side of your ears, and every part of the body down to the chest, the belly, to the legs. Slowly palms together. Namaste. See you soon.